All right, everybody, welcome back to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, build, and create with AI. If you're new here, my name's Don. You can call me Suns Fever 83. You can call me a lot of things. Only rule I have is do not call me late for dinner, please. So, today, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am going to. Just a sec. Let me check. Okay. I am going to show you some of the process when I'm making my videos. The site or my channel is dedicated to AI. So we know that. Now, and you see me using AI making the videos. I get that. But it's a little bit more than that. I literally, from the start of the process to the finish, is using AI. I use generally three main tools, but I'm going to show you five because there are two that one that I use now and then, and I've showed this before. Some of these we've already went over, and the other one's a new one I just found. I'm still testing it, but until then, we're going. I'm going to show you what it does, and how it can be used and so forth. But do know that everything I'm showing you today are tools that I use when I create my videos. Now, I don't use all the tools all the time, but these are the tools that I use. So if you're a beginner, just a solo creator like myself, these tools can actually save you a lot of time. They can save you money. Uh, all of these have free versions, and the free versions are really well. And of course, if you need more, you can pay for them. I mean, they're free for like anything else, like so much today. You can use some of it for free. If you want to use the rest of it, unlock it, pay it. Most everything goes for $20 a month. So I understand a lot of people can't afford that today, and that's why I try to show the free things too, because there's so many free tools out there that will help you. So that's pretty much what we're going to do today. And without any further hesitation, let's go ahead and get this party started.
Hey there, welcome to the hub where we learn and build with AI love. No code, no fear, we got your back. Just hit play, we're on the newbie track. Learn, build, create, let's dive in. It's AI fun, where do we begin?
Okay, everybody. Yes, we are on YouTube because that's just where we are. Okay, so when we start out, and I use ChatGPT. You can use Grok, you can use Claude, you can use Gemini, uh, uh, Deep. I think it's DeepSeek. There's any of the LLMs pretty much you can use. I use ChatGPT. I've used it from the actual creation of my channel. From the name, it gave me um, it gave me like 10 names I could choose from, and until I found one I like, I had them redo it, and then I had it make a description for my channel. It helped with my logo. Um, so pretty much it has helped with everything. I'm going to go here real quick. Let me go to my brand kits. Go into AI Newbie Hub. Now, I don't have it. Okay, I will. Just a second. When I started, this right here is my logo now. But when I started, this was my logo. this is what actual ChatGPT had designed, or he gave me the prompt to design this. And at one point, I was going with that, but I didn't like the cartoonish portion of it. So we went with the where is it at? Here's my logo. We went with the more realistic looking logo. Again, everything on my logo, including the Learn, Build, Create with AI, is done with AI. So don't. I mean, it really does so much. So to get with that, one of the reasons I use ChatGPT is over here you got something called projects, and I got AI Newbie Hub here. So I have created my own GPT basically, where I can go into any of these and I can say, hey, I need my next long form video, or I need my next short. I broke it down so it will do what I need. So uh, if I wanted to, I'm just going to ask it this. Well, I'm just going to show you what I've got here. This is the one we're working on right now. Right here. All I had to tell it was, see, yep, we're scrolling up. Okay, on March 15th, uh, it tried to give me a video that lists 5 AI tools every beginner should try. And it had ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Leonardo. And I said, wouldn't that be redundant? Would this video not be redundant since I had just done that? And it said, yes, it actually would, but then shifted so we're not going to waste the concept. Now, it's telling me this. It said we're going to focus on what we actually use it for. And so instead of just trashing this whole thing, it said, okay, let's say, hey, this is the tools I use to make videos. What am I doing right now? I'm showing you the tools I use to make videos. I'm telling you, this literally wrote my script. Now, I don't read from the script. I'll look down, you'll see me look at my notes, but it can generate a script where you can actually read it off. I don't do that. Um, Tells you why it's working and all that. Uh, ElevenLabs, here's how to do a voice without mic. Okay, these are just telling you how it's reframed instead of saying, hey, this is how you uh, mimic your voice. It's not doing that. So it's ChatGPT again. It changed my intro line, and then it said, would you like me to tweak the full script? And I said, yeah, that'd be perfect. So what it did is it gives me my publish date, what the focus is of this. Here's the updated script. See, it even tells me, hey, welcome back to AI Newbie Hub, where I learn, I don't like I, where I learn to build, or where I learn, build, and create with AI. Today, I'm walking you through the exact AI tools I use to make YouTube videos from ideal to final upload. I leave. So that's what I'm saying. I mean, you can read this portion by portion. It tells you exactly how long it should be. And it's like here, it's supposed to be 2 minutes and I'm at 8. I don't go by this whole thing, but it gives me the guidelines. So step 1, here we go. Where are we at? We're talking about ChatGPT. Where are we at? ChatGPT. And so it says, okay, talk about this. Where I use it to brainstorm my titles, the outlines for my videos, which are seen, and draft a script. So it does all that. And then it'll tell me go to step 2, step 3. It tells me how to wrap it up. Gives me my outro. Do I want to update a description and thumbnail prompt? And I said, yes, please. So here we go. There's my YouTube description. There is my prompt. When we're going to do this one, we're going to use this prompt to put into Leonardo to see if it'll come up with the thumbnail I need. It gives me the suggestion for the name of my thumbnail. So when I'm making my thumbnail for the video, it says here, make the big title my AI workflow for YouTube. You're going to see this. I've already started that. So you'll see where that is. So then it also asked me, do I want to jump ahead into my April 1st video. Now, you got to pay attention to AI. And I have called AI out on this because I have asked it, why is my date wrong? April 1st is not Monday. March 31st is Monday. April 1st is Tuesday. So see, it has this wrong. And I will tell it when I respond to this, and I ain't going to do it now because that'll be my next video. But I'm going to say, no, I need to know why you think April 1st is Monday. And I need Monday's video, which is actually the 31st. But when I ask it about April 1st, it's going to say, oh, I'm sorry. It should be March 31st and so forth. So it's AI. It's getting information. It's fed to it. So, oh, okay, hold on, guys. Would you two quit? Spooky. I'm sorry. We had cat issues. So, um, so long story short, which is too late or too long you didn't read, which if you read it, I don't know what you're doing because I didn't write all this out. I start with ChatGPT. It will come up with my titles. It will come up with my ideals. If I don't like the ideal, I tell it. It will change it. It'll find something else. It literally tells me what programs to use. And if I don't like the program, I tell it, hey, I don't like it. It showed me one earlier that I couldn't get to. And I said, hey, the link don't work. The site don't work. You can't use that. And it's okay. We'll change it. And it did. So the first thing I do is go to ChatGPT. I get my script. I get it tells me everything that I'm going to be doing, what I need, and I go from there. Okay. After that, after I get my script, now I got that, I can do, depending on what my video is, I can go to my voice generation, okay? If I go over to history, here's all the voices I've ever done. So my very first one was right here. This was last year. So I'm going to play this real quick.
New Orleans, a city as vibrant as its jazz, boasts a gumbo of cultures, from French Quarter charm to soulful Creole flavors. Let the
Okay, now you heard that one. Now I'm going to play one more for you to show how much difference this is. This was 3 days ago. And if you're doing voiceovers, this one was 3 days ago. And listen to the difference.
Hey there, welcome to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, build, and create with AI. Whether you're brand new or just curious, you're in the right place.
Okay, so if I need text to speech, I'll come here and I'll type in whatever text to speech I need, and you get a bunch of free credits each month. So you got plenty. If you need more, again, you can pay for the premium. But if I need text to speech for a part of a video or something, I can come here. I can create it. I just do text to speech. I go over to settings. Again, I will pick who or what video it is. Okay, one moment. All right. I'm sorry about that. Didn't mean to make this any longer, but I had to take care of that. Okay. So if I needed text to speech for my video, I'd come to ElevenLabs.io, and I would build it up. And you've got your different voices here. You can clone your own.
The waves write poetry on the beach sands. The waves.
Hello, I'm Ava. How may I assist?
So you have a bunch of different voices that you can use. Search voices, voice library. This is not a big one, but if you go to voices, I don't know why it's not searching all of them. Oh, professional default voice library. Oh, right here. Oh, so you got all these different voices that you can use. There's a whole bunch of them. I know there's more. I don't know why I'm not scrolling down more, but oh, right there, view all. So all these different voices that you can use. Any of them that you want, you can use. You can put your own in there and select it, and you can make your voiceovers, which are great for videos. I mean, if you don't want to be on camera, if you want someone else to talk, it's great for that. It's also great if you go to something called D-ID, and I've also showed that one, which will that will literally make your avatar. It'll give you a talking avatar where it talks. I've made videos on that. I've made videos and actually put them online with it, and it's pretty cool. So that's ElevenLabs. Now the next one we're going to go to is Leonardo. This is for your images. So I'm going to show you. It's like this is the one we just did, and I'll probably just repeat the prompt. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same prompt. It don't matter. We're just going to copy this. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing though. So we're going to go here, paste that in, and it's going to cost me 24 tokens to generate it. I've got 126. See, I'm on the free plan. I get 150 tokens a day. And every time you hit generate, it'll generate you 4 pictures. Okay, and it just takes a few seconds. They'll start appearing here. Well, I say that, and look at this. 20 seconds later, 18, 19. There we go. It should be showing up anytime. There we go. Now, I asked it specifically a realistic humanoid robot sitting at a YouTube creator desk setup with glowing floating icons labeled ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, Leonardo AI, Canvas, and Opus clip. So let's see. ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, Canva. See, it's got Canva twice. I don't like that. That one put Leonardo on her, and they got a bunch of things. Leonardo, Canva. Still got Canva twice. ChatGPT, Opus, Canva, Leonardo, and so ElevenLabs, unless, I don't know, that may be what they're calling ElevenLabs. That one's closer. This one has the Canva twice. So you can refine these prompts and go from there. Now, just because I say it might be explicit, it is not. It's just a robot. And this is like the one I'm going to use. It had Canva, ChatGPT, Leonardo, and YouTube. It don't have ElevenLabs. This one will work for what I need. So each day you get 150 credits. You can make 4 videos at a time for 24. So you technically can make 6 times. You can make 24 pictures, prompts a day for absolutely nothing. You come over here to change your presets. And matter of fact, we're going to try something that I have not. Model detail. We're going to try to change this. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, now this increased it. So, increase it. We're going to try this one more time, okay? Just to see what this other thing does, because you got a whole bunch of different models. And that's what we're here to do, learn this. 'Cause I don't know everything about it, but there we go. Now, what do they do here? Okay. Canva, Opus, ElevenLabs. That's close. That's the most realistic robot. ElevenLabs, Copla, that don't even mean anything. Okay, we're going to try one more since I got credits. We're going to try one more. Oh, let me change this. Okay, Leonardo, lighting, life, like, here we go. We're going to try this one. How much is that? Oh, that's only going to cost 14. Okay, so depending on what you try, depends on how much it costs. This bottom line, I never tried anything except the first one. So, I mean, it tells you what you're using, Plux, Dev, and see, I always use the Phoenix 1, Phoenix 1, Phoenix 1. All the different images I've created with them. That's, I mean, this one, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. I wanted one that had that on there. It gave it to me. And sometimes you'll have to redo the prompt if you notice it's not giving me what I want. So I'll redo the prompt. It's not costing me anything. Now, this is the one done with Leonardo, a lifelike vision, which I'm going to say that that's a pretty real looking robot. Okay. So those are pretty real looking robots. If you need to generate an image, you can generate images through ChatGPT, Gemini. I don't think Grok will, but I know ChatGPT, Gemini, Leonardo. You can do it through Canva. There's a lot of places to make them, but I find the best things when I'm trying to create things for like my thumbnail or logos and such. I'll start with Leonardo because to me, I just think their output is just top of the line. I love the robots. So when I'm generating my thumbnails, I get my script. If I get my script, check it over, see what tools I need. If I got any voiceovers to do, I go to ElevenLabs. When I start working on my graphics, I come to Leonardo. And then the next step would be to go to Canva. Now, again, Canva is also a, it's already done. Okay. So, Canva is also free. You can also pay for it, and you get a few more things, but it is a free site. You can make your logos. I make my thumbnails. Matter of fact, it said, let's see right here, my AI workflow for YouTube. That's what ChatGPT told me, suggested to put on my thumbnail. So I made my thumbnail. I've got my thumbnail laid out. I just come over here. I change that. That's what it told me to make smaller. That's what it wanted. That wanted that larger and that smaller. I need to move that back. And then I took my image from which one was it? It's like her, I think it is. Yep, took her, put her in here, and I have my background that looks sort of like it's computer-ish, and there's my thumbnail. That's literally going to be the thumbnail you guys will see on this video. So when you're watching this video, if you go back and you look at the thumbnail, this was created with Leonardo. Leonardo did this portion. ChatGPT told me to write this. It came up with this name. It came up with the phrase. It told me where to put it. Because I will literally, when I'm done with these, I put them into ChatGPT and I said, what do you think of my thumbnail? And it will tell me anything I need to do to my thumbnail. And then I come back here, I redo it, and until I get it right. But that's Canva. I mean, Canva does a whole bunch of things. If you're into, I'm using it for my video. So that's where we're going to stick. I make my logos. I made my, where is it? See, this right here. That's where I started with it. That was my robot. I didn't like that robot. So I went to ChatGPT and I said I needed more realistic. And we worked on this. I did make, I just want to show right here. Came in here, made my YouTube banner. And then you're like, well, what are all these lines and all that in there? Those are just guide marks because I have to stay in that square for you to see it on all devices. And so I was able to make it. It's on my site. So if you go to my site, you'll see that. On my site, my channel. That is Canva. You can edit it. You can make things. You can make things and sell it on Etsy if you want. I've got things on sale for Etsy. Now, the last one that we got is called Opus Clip. Now, if you have a video and you want to make a short out of it, you can come here. And we're going to do get clips, upload. We're going to go to upload. I'm going to upload a video. Actually, I would. See, what is an AI model? That's that right there, okay? I uploaded that. And just click that. Showed all files. And I uploaded that file. What is an AI model? MKV. If I click that, it broke. It went through my video. And it gave me clips. And I'm going to play one of them. I'm going to play one of these and just so you can see it. Actually, this one will be coming out about 30 minutes before this video. So you're going to see these same day. But I'm going to show a little thing here. Understanding how things work. Understanding how things work is key. Going around thinking that this AI is so smart. Oh, it's thinking and oh, it thinks too quick. It don't think, it reasons. Okay, one that did is this actually went through the video that I done and it gave me a transcript. It broke my video down. It gave me a rating, a 99. That's supposed to be how viral it'll go. We're going to find that one out. You can, if you pay for it, you can schedule it and all that. I don't pay for this. I'm trying it out. I would burn a few more of these, but you get 90 credits on your free trial. Credits are used by how long it takes to process. I didn't know that. It took me 18 minutes to process this one video. And then it came out with all these different shorts and, again, it gives me scores. So these are supposed to be the best ones. It added, if I click here, it gave me my transcript. It tells me what the hook is, how all that is. And I can come down here. I can download it. It'll have watermark unless you pay for it. And don't worry about the watermark. I'm trying this one out. So I don't know how this is going to go. But this is called Opus Clip. And you just take these and put them directly into YouTube. I'll show you that. Here we go. Let's go over here. Just so you can see that I'm not trying to say, oh yeah, I did it. I didn't. Because I'm not going to redo it. I might need those the other 72 clips. And like I said, it took 18 right away. So, this one's not here, but if I go to my shorts here, oh, I can't do it. Let me go manage my videos. Yeah, you guys take them right here. Okay, shorts. There we go. Unlocking AI mastering prompt engineering. I'm trying it. I'm going to try it. It's scheduled, so that's why you can't see it yet. But we're going to try it. This video here is from Opus Clip. And we're going to try it, see how that works, and go from there. When I post this online, I will go back to my ChatGPT, and I put this all on in a Google Docs page, so that way I can just copy in text. But I mean, it will literally give me a description. All I gotta do is, there's my title. I just copy this all the way down to here. I mean, it even put the subscribe. If you've got this gear I use, it lists that. Every time I ask for a description, it will give me this, which is a affiliate program. It'll give me this, which is affiliate, and it'll say here, come to our site and sign up. Also give me, there's that prompt that we've seen, and these I just copy that and paste it. And I don't know. Actually, I do know it has to, because I didn't take them out, but yeah, I know I should have had this. Okay, here we go. There's my tags. So I can just copy these tags, and I'll punch them right into all the information in my video, and then I'll schedule my video, and it's done. This video right now is 32 minutes long. It'll take me, on a long video like this, an additional 10 minutes to post it, because I don't edit these videos. I do not edit my long form. I edit my short form. So, and actually, the short form takes a little longer. But this, I'll record. Once I stop recording, I will literally be going online posting. I will bring in my thumbnail from Canva, and I've already got that in my folder. I'll bring that in. I'll bring in my description from ChatGPT. I'll bring in my tags from ChatGPT, and then even up to the point where if I somehow forget, it'll say, hey, look, this video is for Friday, March 28th. And look at that, Friday, March 28th. It's one of my 3 days I post long videos. So, it tells you everything. The process, I use AI, and I'm learning AI, and I use AI. So that's why I really started this channel, because there is so much that AI can do to help you. And like I said, if you want to be creative, be creative. I mean, you don't have to have a YouTube channel. You can have AI just help you design things to sell on Etsy or Pinterest or whatever. You can help it write. If you've got a blog, you can help it write blogs from an item. I just use it for YouTube. I'm learning YouTube. I got a channel I'm trying to share with others so we can all learn together. And what I use it for, and I'm really I really interested in AI. And it's here. There's no denying it. It's not going anywhere. It's not just going to shut down, because regardless if we do in the United States decide to shut it down, China ain't. And China ain't going to be the only country with it. So we can learn it and move in advance, or we can do like like they're trying to do now, and take us back to the 1600s. I ain't going to 1600s. I want to get to the 22s. So, I'm going the other way than my state's going. But from start to finish, like I said, everything on my channel has been done with AI, except I took out the what is it? I took out the faceless, the faceless thing, and I'm going to show you real quick one other, if I can get to my stuff. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to play this real short video, and this was one I did for another channel. So I'm going to play this. This is what, again, all AI.
Faith over feelings. There will be times in your walk with God when you do not feel His presence. You pray, but there is no response. You worship, but you don't.
That's where I used ElevenLabs. I used Leonardo. I brought it over to this. They made it talk. And so, I mean, everything I do on this site has something to do with AI. And so, I say learn it. And that is what I believe everybody needs to learn it. So, a recap. ChatGPT, great for scripting and ideas. It helps you plan and write things out. And again, let me go back here because we're going look. So you can sit here and you can make a project. You can break your project down. In my project, I have got project files. I've got my channel concept, strategy, channel growth plan, and production. All this stuff I got from Manus. It gave me the content strategy, channel growth plan, and the workflow. I put that in. Gave it instructions, and so everything I ask it, it'll go back to these and say, "Oh, this is how we're supposed to do it." Yeah, it's how you're supposed to do it, and it does. So, when you're planning and writing, you're scripting, you need ideas, anything like that, ChatGPT. If you need narration, go to ElevenLabs. Type in whatever you want. It generates speech. You can have up to 5,000 characters. You can have up to 5,000 characters per deal. So if you've got something longer, you just got to break it down and, break it down. But it'll give you realistic voiceovers. If you want image creation for any of your visuals, art, and things like that, Leonardo AI. Put everything together, your thumbnails, your logos, your overlays. I even make my overlays for my shorts. Bam, I just type them in here. I come over here, and when I download them, I do it transparent, and this I can put as an overlay. So Canva for all your, once you've got your art, to put everything together. These are all different things I've done in Canva. I've used Canva a bunch. It can make videos, it can do all that. So Canva for your actual design and editing, to put all your visuals together. And this one, I'm showing you this. I haven't tested it, but I've heard about it, and we're going to find out what it does with my 99 here. It's supposed to go viral short. So this one, well, by the time you see this video, this should have 1 million views. So, with that, I hope this helped. If you found any of this information useful, please like, subscribe, comment. If you have any AI tools that you think I should try, let me know. Drop them in the comments. I'm willing to try anything. Our goal here is make sure that it's got to be free to start, because that's the ideal. This is not something we got to pay $100 a month or to use. So it's just got to be free. If you got something that you like to see me review or use or anything like that, leave it in comments. I'll try it. Otherwise, I think that's going to be it for today. I do appreciate you all here. Again, like, subscribe, comment, and until next time, you guys have a good day, and we will catch you later.